Hybrid work allows people to make work work for them, so that they can be where they need to be, doing what they need to do to be at their best.
Best thing is that it empowers me. It gives me flexibility to integrate work into my life, which not only makes me more productive, it's helping me achieve my own wellness goals.
Goals are sometimes better achieved working in the comfort of your home or, as I'm doing right now, in your choice of location.
Hybrid life is great for teams because they have more control over their day to work in ways they know maximizes their productivity.
Productivity improves with great collaboration tools. And with some of the newer features, such as closed captioning, auto language translation, and people insights, this actually drives up inclusivity in our teams.
Teams and employees are happier, and that's really important for employee retention.
Hybrid life can spell upside for your culture as your team members feel empowered by the trust you place in them through choice and through flexibility.
Flexibility is when work truly becomes a thing we do, not a place we go. It drives down our operating expense, it helps us with our sustainability goals, and most importantly, it empowers our employees.
Employees have an opportunity to put their best foot forward, and there's an increased notion of productivity and job satisfaction.
With hybrid work, it's definitely not one size fits all. You need to listen to your employees, take a data-driven approach, and try new things, experiment and adapt.
Adapt with evolving needs as hybrid is multifaceted and is as much a mindset as it is a concept. Keep an open dialogue between your leaders and teams to know the culture, the experience, and the technology needs of your people.
People and teams should have clear expectations as they start their hybrid work journey.